If you're thinking about selling your home, this video could save you a lot of money. I'm Kathy Remski, a real estate agent with App Properties, and I service Birmingham and Oakland County. But before I was a real estate agent, I spent over 20 years in styling and staging. So I tend to look at homes a little differently than most. Because we're still in a seller's market, a lot of homeowners assume that they can put their house up on the market exactly as it is and buyers will overlook everything. But even in a strong market, your home still needs to feel show ready. And honestly, making a difference doesn't always mean major renovations. Sometimes the smallest investments are the best thing a buyer can do to make a home feel like it's been well cared for. Things like fresh paint and updated lighting, clean landscaping, decluttering, and taking care of deferred maintenance can completely change how buyers experience a home. And the opposite is also true. Missing outlet covers, damaged molding, burned out light bulbs, even missing light domes may seem minor to a homeowner who lives there every day, but to buyers, those details can quietly create the impression that the home isn't well maintained. Buyers start wondering what else hasn't been taken care of, and that emotional reaction matters. Buyers decide very quickly how a home feels, and the goal is before listing, not perfection, but creating confidence and an emotional connection the moment somebody walks through the door. Before spending major money, it's important to understand which updates truly matter in your neighborhood and in your price point. Sometimes the smartest strategy isn't renovating at all. It's simply preparing your home thoughtfully so it stands out from the competition. If you're thinking about selling in Birmingham, Bloomfield Hills, or in Oakland County, I'd be happy to help you prioritize what's actually worth doing before you list. And if this was helpful, follow for more real estate and renovation insights.